When you want the best of the best car detailing, hit up ionixsystems.com.au. Go to pressure cleaners, look under systems, under the accessories and parts. You want to talk foaming, whether it's Stuttner handheld foamers from a garden tap, pressure cleaner, we can kit you up with everything you need to spray that foam. But technically I love, and if you've seen some of my other videos, and I'll point you to the equipment that we're going to use today, the K250 and the Quattro. We'll also put a link below about Know Your Water. So if you're unaware of the purity of water and what it does as we increase the purity of that level and get to that 18 megohm as a cleaning product to get that spot-free rinse, you'll learn a lot from watching that video. So today we're using the K250 pressure cleaner, on demand, onboard hose reel, Comet pump, 1750 PSI, the Quattro system, portable RO system. One of the best portable systems globally today, and I'll say that with confidence. If you need 50,000 litres of pure water a week, the Quattro will give it to you. We're just going to do a spot-free rinse. I don't like to touch the paint, and I don't like to use a lot of chemical myself, but we can foam, but I'd just like to give you a bit of a rundown. And we can blow all the dust off. And personally, when I do clean a car, and especially with some of the black cars that we do look after, the less we touch the paint, I find the better. So that's the K250 and the Quattro. Check out all those links below. I'll let you have a quick look at the products and we'll catch you on the next video.